Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm going to walk you through our text to agent feature, where you can create a new agent from just a text prompt. We give you some example prompts to help you start thinking, but today together, let's make an agent that can tell me about what to get from Byron for dinner tonight. Okay, and let's just hit generate. Cool, and so here we have our agent page, and you can see that we've already automatically named a new agent for you based on the prompt. And let's just give it a few seconds to continue generating. Great, so you can see here that agent candidates are getting generated. An agent candidate is an example voice agent we make so that you can test it before choosing to make it into your real agent. We make a few different candidates for you, which are differentiated by which large language model runs behind them. And we choose the top candidates to present to you so that you can call them and test them to help you choose which candidate to have as your agent. So here you can see, you can call them to test. You can also see that candidates are tagged with any tools that they're able to run. Tools are added as needed based on if your initial prompt warrants it. So since I had asked for an agent to help me choose what to get at Buy Right, my agent knows that it would need to be able to search the web to find live information about what's at the grocery store for me today. Let's give it a few more seconds to generate. Okay, so you can also see that they are tagged with their latency rating, which is how fast the agent takes to respond, as well as average words per turn, which is the average number of words an agent makes in every response, or the average length of that response. While generating candidates, we also run a simulated call by another agent against your candidates. In viewing the details, you can view the transcript of the simulated call. And this is another way to learn about the candidate without calling it before choosing to put it into production. So the last step in text to agent is to promote a candidate to production. This candidate now functions as your real live agent and is the one that you would talk to if you called the phone number. You can also always pick a different candidate to promote to production, or iterate your prompt for a new set of candidates. So when there's a candidate in production, you also have the chance to connect to GitHub, which would take that current agent, connect it to GitHub so that you could further edit it through code. I'm going to create a new repository for this. Let's call it Emily's grocery store agent. Let's create and connect it. But once you do this, you can no longer iterate on it through our text prompt UI, but it does keep the same phone number and other agent information for you. Say my Gemini key. Amazing, and now you can see here that it's connected to GitHub with a link to the new repo that you just made for it. So one last thing that I wanted to talk to you about text to agent is that after a bit of time, you may see that agent candidates may need to be reactivated. Let me find one to show you. So you can see here that this candidate needs to be activated to call it. No worries, let's just activate it. And now it's ready to be called again. So that's text to agent, and we hope you have fun.